In this video, I'll start a step-by-step modeling of Beijing Olympic Stadium. First, you can double-click on the blank space and type point. And here we'll go with point XYZ. Or you also can go to the menu. It's in the vector and point XYZ. Or you can press Ctrl Alt and press at the battery. It will show you where the battery is. So we'll use this for center point, and right click on the battery. We'll name it center point, and again double click on the blank space and we'll input slider and change it to right click on the slider and edit value. It's -100 and click on the green check mark and max +100 and click on the check mark and commit changes. So this we'll use this for x coordinate of the center point. Connect this slider to x value. Press this slider and drag it, and before you release mouse button, press Alt key, and then it will copy another slider bar for you. Then we'll use this for y coordinate, and we'll copy another slider bar for z coordinate. For now, we'll just put z as 0. So here we see a point. We'll use this point as center point. We'll make 8 points to control this parametric curve. We will make a slider bar for the length of the x-axis. So we can input slider or just type a number. For example, I would type 50, then it will automatically give you a slider bar. When I type x, I'll get a unit x battery. Okay, I'll connect this slider and make a addition battery and put this into x, put this into b. The distance between these 2 points are 50 and the direction is x-axis. So when I move this slider, you'll see that the 2 points are going further or closer. Okay, so we got 1 point, and we'll make another point at the opposite direction. So again, we'll make a vector unit x, put it here, and copy this addition and link this. So these 2 points will be identical points. In order to make this as the opposite point, we'll click on this F, right click on F, and you'll see expression. I'll put here -f and commit changes. So which means that if this number is 46, this f will actually use negative value of this slider bar. So that's why it's going opposite direction. Next, I'll make 2 more points on y-axis. So again, this time I'll have a unit y and have a slider bar. So it's 60. The numbers are arbitrary. Any numbers you want, you can just input the number you want. So I link this slider bar to this unit y, and then use addition and link center point to this vector y. Then we'll get a point that's controlled by this y slider. And again, we'll make an opposite point at the y-axis. So link this and copy this one. connect this to B, and again we'll right click on this F, the vector, and go to expression and input -F and commit changes. Then we'll have another point that's at the object direction in y-axis. So now we get 4 points here. When I select all these 4 batteries, you will see those 4 points are shown in green in the viewport. Next, I'll make 4 more diagonal points. That's here, 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 and here. To do that, I'll again I'll control these 4 points by 2 parameters. One of them is the distance between the center point and the 4 diagonal points, and the other one is the angle of the points. So I'll give a slider, any arbitrary number. So I'll first make this a unit X, connect this one, and then copy this addition battery. Oops. And we'll have this point. So this point is, we can say it's almost identical with the first point we made. In order to rotate this point, we have to apply another battery. So we double click on the blank space and type vector rotation. So this is rotate. We got a rotation battery. So we input this vector here and call this vector there. So now it has an error message, which means that we don't have an angle. So here we'll give an angle. So double click on the blank space and give a 10 degrees. Because this is degree, but we have to input radian. So we have to have a degree to radian exchange. Radians here, and then connect this one to here. Then you'll get this radian as you'll see that's 0.17 in terms of radian, and put this into, this is angle, so I'll connect these, and this is axis. So in order to rotate this, I have to rotate this on z-axis. So I'll give a unit z vector and connect this to x. Then we can rotate this. Because the range is too small, it's 0 to 10, I'll increase the range of the slider bar. So right click on the slider and give the min just 1, because I don't want it to be 0. I only have 1 0. And max to 89 instead of 90, and commit changes. Now you'll see that this point is going from x-axis to y-axis. So using the similar method, we can make another 4 more points. So here again, A plus B addition. 1, 2, 3. And connect the center point to A. For now, B is blank. And I'll make another vector that's unit X. So, which means that I want to make another symmetrical point at the other side of x-axis here. So I'll connect this to here, and then make another rotation and copy these two, press shift for multi-selection and copy 2 of them, and connect this to vector, connect this to angle and connect this to vector. And then this is also on z-axis, so I'll connect z-axis to here, and this one to B, and we'll see here is a another point, but this one is the identical point as the first one we made. So I'll make it as here. Go right click on D and go to expression. Maybe minus D will work. So commit. Oh, it's this way. So it's this is 180 minus D. So it will go the other way. Okay. And I'll use this 2 angle as the same angle and delete this one. So whenever I use this angle, they'll go symmetrical. There's okay. And for these two more, I'll make another. For this time, I'll go to also x-axis. Oops. And use the same slider for length. Double click on this slider text. You're able to change the name of the slider. Diagonal dist and OK, and this one to angle. Okay, and I'll make another rotation to rotate this one and use the same angle and z-axis. Here's the z-axis. And connect this one to B. Then we'll have another point here. Oh, we didn't connect radian. Convert this angle to radian and connect this to the angle. Then we'll have this one, and because it's exactly the same, so I'll right click on this F and go to expression. So this time we'll use 180 minus D. So you'll see that when I change this angle, these 4 points are moving symmetrically. And this is the length of the diagonal axis. So here we got 8 points to make the first curve. And double click on the blank space and we'll type curve and use this one. Create a curve from control points and connect all these 8 points into this vertex, but you have to connect this in right order. So first one I'll connect this one, and the second one I'll connect this one. So press shift and link this to this vertex, and the third one is this one, so press shift, connect, and fourth one, and fifth one, sixth one, seventh, and eighth. So after we connect all 8 points, we'll have a curve, but this curve is not closed. In order to close the curve, right click on this P and go to set boolean. Set this boolean value to true. Then this will have a closed curve. After we have this curve, we'll change some of the parameters to see if it's responsive. So when we use this x-axis, this is for y-axis, and this is for diagonal length, and this is for angle. So now we got a parametric curve. We'll continue in next video.